What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the just released Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So stick around. Welcome back guys, and I'm really excited to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max for you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we have a picture of the iPhone 15 Pro Max here on the front of the box. On the side it does say iPhone, and we have Apple logos on the top and bottom. Go ahead and slide open the tab, and also the tab on the bottom. Next we'll go ahead and lift the lid. I did pick up the 256 gigabyte natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Go ahead and place that off to the side for now. So included in the packaging is our normal Apple paperwork. We also get our Apple sticker. And for the very first time, we actually have our USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Nothing else in the box. Go ahead and remove the protective plastic on the front. And here it is, the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. It's really, really beautiful. Excellent color. Last year I had the silver model. Here's a closer look at that very nice camera system we got. Now I've heard that people have already created some commercials with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera. So really, really great camera. On the side we have our action button and volume up and down buttons. On the other side we have our power button. And on the bottom we have both speaker grills as well as our USB Type-C charging port. This is a really, really beautiful color, I have to say. There was 4 color options available, and this one appeared to be the most popular. Another look at that nice camera system. Now I've already made 3 or 4 case videos showing you some of the best cases available for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and some of the other iPhone 15s. So if you are interested, be sure to check out those videos as well. Let me know down in the comment section below if you picked up a new iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or 15 Plus. And if so, what color combination and specific specifications did you get? Also, I'll be doing a full review of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.